Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. So first of all, find the app with which you've got some problems, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon. So first of all, I highly recommend to tap on force stop and confirm it with OK. So if it is running in the background, your device will force it to close the whole application. After that, let's go to storage, localize the cache option, and if you've got the cache saved, cache or junk files, simply remove them. So tap on clear data and clear cache. Confirm it with tapping on OK. Basically, junk files might interfere into the usage of the app. After that, try to open the app and hopefully it will work fine. If not, repeat everything. So force stop, remove cache, and soft reset your device. So to finish, finish everything with a soft reset. So just press the power button and volume up button together, and now just drag this ball to this reboot option, and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. And this operation simply confirms all of the changes connected with the cache. Another thing which you can do is to check the updates. Because the older versions might crash and not work fine. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. You can check our tutorial how to do it. So let me open the Play Store. Here we have to tap on search and tap and search for the app which you wish to update. So for example, it could be Chrome, in my case, the browser. So here we've got the browser. It's showing the information that it is installed. And basically, if the update is available, your device will show you the toggle update. Then all you have to do is to tap on update, and your device will automatically download it and then apply it to your system. So it should work better. If not, then I highly recommend to go back to this section, tap on Google Chrome, and tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall, your device will remove this app from the storage, and after that, after this operation, tap on install. It should appear somewhere here. Basically, your device will then install the newest version directly, and probably it might solve all of the problems. Alright, and if that doesn't work, I highly recommend to consider checking for the updates of the system updates. Go to the settings, and then go to About Phone, and tap on the Xiaomi Hyper OS. Your device will check for the updates, and if you can find the update, if it will show you the information that you can actually update the system, I highly recommend to do that. So just tap on update or download and apply new system, because sometimes the older versions might interfere, especially with new versions of the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.